Not a rush, not a person, hardly any people on the escalator here. Sure at Lachman Nagar, Pink Line. Pink Line. We are at the Pink Line and you have this Pink Line drawn on that. And that is the other one which has come the other way. So both the trains, this side and that side. We're ready to get in. Passengers coming in and getting in from inside the train.
वही तो
Doors open. People coming and going. This is the South Extension Station. Doors closing.
ये मेरा नहीं है ना भाई आपको
Just got out of this. That we're on our way out. This is INA Station, Pink Line. That's the lift, elevator. So now we are going to take the yellow line. Yellow line towards Qutub Minar. This is Delhi Hat Station. Not much of a rush today though. A lot of these eateries inside. You have the Mother Dairy, you have Five Rivers food on the go. So we follow these yellow footprints for the yellow line. And this is how we go on top by the escalators. So here are the escalators, so many of them.
चलिए ठीक है
We are going on top, they're coming down. Metro stations are always so interesting. A lot of with these eateries that have come up. And especially when it's not so crowded, you get to see a lot. Otherwise, it's like a real traffic jam of human beings pushing and pulling and making your way. But today that's a Burger Panda, Burger Monk, Burgitors, a taste of our own. Now we are on our way. There's a little ramp out here. So these are the footprints for the yellow line. And those are the footprints going the opposite way for the Pink Line. So even if you don't know anything, you easily reach your destination, whichever line you want to take. That you have to know. And now we go down the escalator. Oh, this looks to be very crowded. Look at the crowd. This side, less of it. There comes the train. Couldn't even take the closing doors. And the train on our way.
On the right, please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
So we just got on at House Cars. House Cars. House means tank. So we have both two trains here. One going the other way. One going the other. Both will go together. Let's see. This one goes first. And the other one goes. So we're going on top. It's 5:10 p.m. We have this one store too.
While boarding and alighting the trains, passengers are requested
At the Sulabh Toilet Complex. So check your physical age, it seems. So here, if you want to take the Magenta line, you have these footprints which will lead you to the Magenta line. Of course, we are exiting from here. We are going to Horse Cars. But this is the Magenta line. So there are staircases along with the escalator. Murals here of different places of Delhi. What is that? Food. So here we also have a food court, but look at these murals. That's a Humayun tomb, I think. I really don't know the places. Maybe sometime later when I come, I'll only take the murals and explain. This is Mumbai city, Vada Pav. A lot of eateries out here, lots. Softy at ₹25. So that's, look at that. Huge walkway. That's a photo shop. Advertisements on these. On the pillows, so many kiosks. Trendzilla. Wonder in a bowl. Boyo Health Store. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look at that. It's a nice walk because it's not crowded. These pillows look very good. That is the food court, I think. That's Mama's Cafe, then that's KFC. Then look at that. This is the South Indian dosa coffee. This is Hira Sweets Express. A lot of Indian sweets and savories, chole bhature. Then you have the Burger King. So we're going to exit now. So this is where I place my card. It opens. Walk off. This is how I exit. So you're just getting out in the open. Feathery clouds out there. Bright and sunny. That's a neem tree right in front of us. This is how it is. That's where we are. Outskirts.